Hello everyone, welcome to the ichimokucharts.com daily analysis for light sweet crude oil for Tuesday, April the 5th, 2011. Well, the market remains in its uptrend today, and today in bar chart terms we have a candle that's made a higher high but a lower low, and that's an outside day in bar chart terms, a day of indecision and a volatile day, and it's a day where the bulls were strong enough to take out the previous high, but the bears were strong enough to take out the previous low, so quite a significant day. However, this is on a spinning top type candle, so there's a lot of indecision in this market, and we've got these large shadows on the top of the bottom, and the shadows mean that after the bulls were strong enough to take out the previous high, they actually lost commitment. So they lost all the strength that they had during the trading day. By the same token, the bears, after the bears were able to take out the low of the previous day, they lost their commitment as well. So that's what creates indecision with this type of candle. This has set the market up for a potential change of trend to the downside. You do need to be aware of that. And for any potential change of trend, we do require confirmation. So we will be looking for a lower high and a lower low. So we don't try to preempt markets. If the market does come off, there is potential support around 106.95 or 107, which was this previous strong area of resistance where the market tested on a couple of occasions and sold off fairly strongly. So we should look to that region. Below there, we have potential support at the Tenkan-sen at 105.80, down to this minor swing low around roughly 102.8, and then down to the Kijun-sen at 102.56. Certainly down below there, the whole number 100 has potential to act as resistance for this market. Now, because the trend hasn't changed, there is a possibility that the trend will continue to the upside, and if that does continue to the upside, we should be looking to the resistance around 109.75 to hold. Now, we also have above there this area that extends up to 115.46, which was a gap from a few years ago when the market sold off very strongly, and that gap or window may still have its influence on this market, so that's important. Because it was a fair while ago, its influence will be lesser than if it was in a shorter time frame ago, but it still has potential to have strong influence on this market. Now, in Ichimoku charts terms, we are trading up above the cloud and a fair way above the cloud, so the market maintains its overall bullish bias, and we're trading above the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen, which means we're bullish in the medium-term and fast-term timeframes, and the checkout span is confirming that bullishness that we're seeing in the market in big picture terms. We also have the Tenkan-sen trading above the Kijun-sen, so quite a bullish market. Wouldn't be surprised if the market does come off, but there are decent areas where we have potential to find support, but certainly strong resistance up above as well.